Good day everyone. Today we will see how to create an annotative dimension style in AutoCAD. Okay, let's see. Drawing units, UN enter. Length type decimal, millimeters. Okay. Go dimension style, D enter. New style. Start with annotative. Tick annotative. New style name D 1.5 mm. Continue. Lines, color, by layer, line type, by layer, line weight, by layer, baseline spacing 3.5, extension lines, color, by layer, line type, by layer, line type, by layer, line weight, by layer. Okay. Extend beyond dim lines 0.75, offset from origin 0.75. Okay, enter. Now go symbols and arrows. Arrowhead type, architectural tick, leader, coarse field, arrow size 1.2, center mark, okay, 0.52, break size 0.125. okay. Now go text style, click here, new style, name DT 1.5 mm. okay. Select font style DT 1.5 mm. Font name Romans. okay. Size annotative. Paper text height 1.5. Width factor 0.9. okay. Apply, close. Text style DT 1.5 mm. Select text color, by layer, text height. okay. Text placement vertical, above, horizontal, center. View direction left to right. Offset from dim line 0.70. Text alignment, align with dimension line, tick. okay. Now go fit, either text or arrowhead, tick. Beside the dimension line, tick. Annotative, tick. okay. Now go primary units, unit format, decimal, precision 0, suffix you can enter millimeter, mm, or as you wish. Alternate units, okay. Click ok. Continue, okay. D 1.5 millimeters. Set current, close. okay, let's see. Go linear, click. okay. Select dimension, continue dimension, enter. Select dimension, stretch dimension group, select dimension, stretch dimension group, select dimension, stretch, select dimension, baseline dimension, click, OK. Select dimension, stretch dimension group, OK. Exit. Now go annotate, annotation scaling, add delete scales, select dimensions, enter, add 1 to 2, OK. Now go annotation scale, current view 1 to 1, edit 1 to 2, OK. Select dimension, stretch, OK. Now go adjust space, select, enter, auto. Now select dimension, stretch dimension group, OK. Annotation scale 1 to 1, again annotation scale 1 to 2, OK. Again go dimension style, D enter, select dimension style, D 1.5 mm, modify, symbol and arrow head, select, dot, OK. Closed, OK. Again dimension style, select dimension style 1.5 mm, modify, symbol arrows, close field, OK. Closed, OK. Can go annotation scale 1 to 1, OK. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.